Have you heard of BGL? If you haven't, I'm here to tell you, you need to. Okay, I'm going to tell you my honest opinion on this project. Before I do, disclaimer, I'm not a
financial advisor, just for education purposes only.
So let's get straight in. So here it is, guys, okay? Now, when you first get onto the website, it's very eye-catching. You see this countdown timer here. And before I get into exactly what this project is, the countdown timing is important. Do not allow that to count down without you getting involved once you've done your own research. So a store of value with a burn rate of 9% of tax fees. You can see when the next halving is here. But what exactly is going on? So deflation is an advantage. That's what they say. In honor of Silvio Gesell, Bitgesell cranks the deflationary aspects of Bitcoin up to max, burning 90% of all transactions fees and decreasing block size. Bitgesell has created an investment tool with a high deflationary model to provide allocation in a store of value assets. So freigeld and gold. We have combined the concept of freigeld and gold as traditional store value, and demurrage works in reverse. Not the way it used for currency, but for gold. So adding more properties to digital gold through gradually increasing scarcity over time. Imagine gold, which volume existence is gradually decreasing over time. Guys, as you scroll down, you start to learn a lot more about this. And again, at the end, I'm going to give my honest opinion what I think. So it's 10 times smaller than Bitcoin, right? Bitgesell block weight is 400 kilobytes. Bitcoin's is 4 megabytes. Now, regarding its technical specifications, BGL has a block weight of 400 KB, like I said, 10 times lower than what's compared to Bitcoin's. This actually helped Bitgesell's blockchain achieve sufficient transaction throughput from one side and keep transaction mempool competition to ensure that TX fees are gathered and burned. So such block size leads to blockchaining staying reasonably compact, lowering storage requirements, right? You can learn more, guys, going into research on this website. I'm just going to give you the quickest overview I can with getting you the most information. So 4 times more halving. Bitgesell halving is yearly. The Bitcoin halving is every 4 years. So again, 4 times more. Halving is the process of halving the rewards of mining crypto after each set of 210,000 blocks is mined. So guys, what they're doing is being able to, by reducing the rewards of mining as more blocks are mined, halving ensures that the amount of currency in circulation does not increase exponentially, which also tends to put upwards pressure on its price. For every 210,000 blocks that are mined, the reward for mining a block falls by half. So for the first 210,000 blocks, in Bitcoin's early days, the reward was 50 BTC. Imagine you were getting 50 BTC a time and you kept that. That's what's happening here. We never know where this is going to go, but I'm telling you, with my opinion coming up, I think this is going to be huge. Okay, as more blocks were mined and more Bitcoins were in circulation, the first set of 210,000 blocks were mined by 2012 and the reward was cut in half. Okay, guys, this is a 100% SegWit that eliminates problems with legacy types of transactions. Blocks subsidize 50 times 4, 21 million coins max. Okay. It's only the beginning. So one of the essential functions of money is that it constitutes that means for saving and securing the fortune of people. Since it guarantees immediate cash flow, cryptocurrency is the new generation of organizational form for solving the issue. So Bitgesell, future of Bitcoin and true store of value. Guys, what I want to do now is show you actually how to buy this coin. So guys, this is how you buy it, okay? So you want to come over to Pancake Swap, all right? You can get your token up there, the WBGL, and you want to have your USDT. So connect your wallet, okay? I do recommend MetaMask, all right? It's going to open up in MetaMask, and I'm going to confirm it now. So it opens up in MetaMask, okay? You simply put in your password, all right? Once you put in your password, it will unlock for you. Let me do that now. So once you've accepted the connection, okay, and it's approved, you will then be connected, and it will ask you to switch to the BNB chain. Now, guys, it's really easy. You switch to the BNB chain, but you connect it through USDT. So you're going to buy it with USDT. So what I want you to do is try and buy as much as you can with all the USDT you've got. Okay? If you have enough to invest, please note the disclaimer at the start. So I'm going to buy $50 worth of this token. Okay, I'm going to press swap right now, confirm it. And here we go. I'm now buying the token. I'm going to confirm the transaction in here. Okay. Close it, and there you go. Okay, you do need maybe a couple of dollars in the BNB just to make sure this transaction goes through. But guys, that's it, and I have bought it. You can actually look at it on BSC scan, all right, and have a look. There's my contract address, and it's being confirmed. So guys, talking about their community, you can go over to their Telegram, all right, have a look what's going down in there. Just give it a invite only, so you can view in Telegram. Open it up here, okay, and you will see, let me make this big for you, that they talk about in there. All you got to do is hit join and you can be involved. People are loving it. They're getting so much value. All you got to do is prove that you're a human. Okay, now I'm a human. I can write in the group. Super, super friendly in there. Everybody's very happy. So guys, I love the community inside of this, and that's why my opinion goes towards this could be the best project of the year. They pin a lot of messages up here so you can see you never have to miss out. Okay, just simply click that and it'll take you to the pin message so you never miss out. Now I have my token, guys. What you need to do now is make sure you've downloaded the core. Okay, so make sure that you've downloaded it for whatever version you are on. Okay, I'm on the Mac, so I'm going to download mine right now. It will start to download in the background. Okay, mine says 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not going to make you wait that long, so let me fast forward there now. Guys, once you've downloaded it on Mac especially, right, just drag it into your applications. Once it's in there, let's open it up and see what it looks like. So once it's downloaded, guys, it looks like this, all right? Super easy to use, okay? It comes up with your chain, your source address, and the balance that you have. All right, you simply download the version that you need. So obviously for mine, I've got the Mac. If you're on Windows, download Windows, and you simply put your address into this side, okay, WBGL, put your address in, and you will start to see all the different features. All right, you can create new receiving address as well if that's what you want to do. Then what you want to do is click copy address. Okay, when you copy that address, type it into your BGL address and press continue. It's going to ask you to confirm this in your MetaMask account. Okay, just sign in, confirm the transaction, and you can see your WBGL amount. Type it in to, or just copy it in and send the WBGL. Again, you're gonna have to confirm this in your MetaMask. Okay, once that transaction has been completely confirmed on the blockchain, it will be available. All right, super easy to do, guys. I hope that you're following along with this and it's not too hard to understand. This is exactly how you do it. So guys, what I need you to do is please make sure you research this project before you get involved at all. But what I want you to do also is hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.